Hi everyone, welcome back to Coin World UK. I hope everyone's having a great day. Again, I'll be doing some more Match Attax pack openings, and I love collecting my football cards. I used to have these when I was a kid. I had millions of these things, and I've got rid of them over the years. And I'm still filling my book, and I'm on my second book. And so, yeah, let's open up this one. I've got a few to go through, but I'm going to do one every so often. And I hope you enjoy this series. And so let's get into this and see what we find. So for Bayern Munich, Mark Roca, Tadic, Ajax captain, and I've had a few of these already. Real Betis emblem card, and we have Robin Normand. I can't remember his real Soucek, and so still trying to get into this. And then we have a Paris Saint-Germain Sarabia. Pablo Sarabia, and we have Sadio Mane from Liverpool. Get in, well, as you know, I'm a Liverpool fan. And then we have the Man City Laporte, and then we have a super saver, Alisson Becker, Liverpool. Get in, he's a great goalie. And man of the match card from Bayern Munich, Gnarby, awesome insert. Then we have an all-rounder from West Ham, I think that's Soucek. So these will be going into my book. We'll be doing some replacements. And then we have an absolutely fantastic player from Borussia Dortmund. That's Bellingham. He's obviously English player for Champions League. And this is a Pro Elite. And this is a shield card. So absolutely awesome finds. And just there is just the code to play the electronic game. I used to be part of the Tops electronic card game. I had millions of those cards as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll open up another pack very soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.